Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gita Dwi Mutia. I am from class 3C Math and English.
If 2 to the power of 2, it means 2 times 2. If 2 to the power of 3, it means 2 times 2 times 2. From this explanation, we can conclude that a power of n means a times I, and so on, depending on how much n is from the formula. From this formula, where a is the base or basis, n is the index or exponent. For example, if we have 2 to the power of 3, it means 2 times 2 times 2. Second, if we have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, it means 7 to the power of 4. Next, if the exponent is a negative number, for example, we have negative 2 to the power of 3, it means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. If we find the value, negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 6. If a negative number is raised to an odd number, power it will product a negative number. In this example, the exponent is 3, which is an odd number. Then the result will be a negative number. On the other hand, if a negative number is raised to an even power, it will product a positive number. For example, we have negative 2 to the power of 4. It means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals 4 times 4 is 16. Next, if the form is like this, then we only multiply the numbers, not include the negative. Nah, the result of multiplied is 81. So because we didn't multiply the negative ones, we put the negative ones before result like this. So friends, you have to be careful when working on question like this. If they don't have a bracket like this, then we don't include the negative sign at the multiplication. We'll look at the properties of exponents. There are properties we can use to simplify algebraic calculation. The first property is multiplication. If we have a to the m times a to the n, the result is the same as a to the m plus n. The second property, we have a to the m divided by a to the n. The result is the same as a to the m minus n.